Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you delicious pepper ganoush with eggplant, of course. And I have very beautiful 3 eggplants over here. I'm going to put the fire. So what we have to do, we have to roast this, and we have to roast this like a charcoal. It will be outside, it's gonna burn. We put them on fire and we leave it maybe in 10 to 15, maximum 20 minutes. You have to, when you press it like this, it has to be really mushy. And then we're gonna prepare for you the most delicious pepper ganoush. So when you buy the eggplant, try to make sure that it's nice and black, not red color, because the red ones will be harder. Make sure that it's nice and black, the color, because it's like it's red. The taste will be even better. It has to be, like I said, mushy. Some of the water it's gonna drip. Don't forget you have to rotate, of course, once in a while, so it doesn't just cook one side. Just make sure that all over around it's cooked very well. All right, we're gonna continue our eggplant that we roasted outside. So it's already done. It did about in 10 to 12, 13 minutes. So I peeled it over here, both of them. What you do, after you peel it, put in a strainer because it leaves a lot of liquid. So we don't want the liquid. We don't want to be liquidy food. So this is the eggplant. This is how it's going to be mushy when you cook. You have to touch it and it has to be very soft. What it does, the charcoal, the taste of the burning skin eggplant, the taste goes into the eggplant and it gives very delicious taste. All right, which is like roasted. So it peels very easy. In case if you cannot, you can take a knife or a spoon. You can just like peel it easy way, this way. Let's say you cannot, take the knife and just go from under. It should peel it very easy. There you go. I promise you won't have any hard time to peel. And it's okay if there's little pieces of skin left. It won't hurt. It gives a little good even taste. You hold it like, if it's too hot, you can wait for a few minutes to relax and in a strainer so the liquid goes down, and at the same time, what it does, it gets cooler. There you go. Just slice it very big chunk pieces like this. Don't put that in the machine in a blender. Just like these pieces, because when you mix again the garlic and whatever you have to put, it's gonna get pieces. All right, this is how you do. And what we need for this eggplant, what we need is, we need some garlic, which over here I already chopped. You can put as much as you want, but it will be nice if you can put for all this 3 or 4 seeds of the garlic. And then you need 1 lemon. If you don't like too much lemon, you can do less, but lemon will give good taste. This is just 1 lemon. We need a little salt. The salt, again, it's your taste. If it's too much or too little, you have to know. We need 1 tablespoon of yogurt. It will give very delicious taste. And you have to mix it. Just like this. I'm sure everybody knows this. This called tahini. This is sesame seed oil, it is. But it's tahini they call. You can put about like 3 to 4 tablespoons. It really gives very delicious taste. Oh wow. If some people, if they cannot eat the yogurt, you don't have to, but I'm sure everybody can eat. Unless you have hard on your stomach, so you don't have to put it. You can eat without yogurt. You can prepare it. I'm going to put this in a dish, and I'm going to show you that just like this. All right, here we go. And then you decorate this with roasted pepper or regular pepper, whatever pepper do you want. This is a red bell pepper roasted. You put a little bit. You can use cilantro, you can use mint as a decoration. You can put a little bit parsley here and there. There we go. And you'll put a little bit olive oil. And that's how you sit down and you dip it. You'll enjoy it. You can eat with the chips, but usually we eat this with our food and with the pita bread. We put this on the table as an order, appetizer, and with the pita bread, this is how you eat. You just take it and you, of course, you put in your plate with the spoon and then you dip it, and that's how you eat it. How beautiful it looks. It opens your appetite. The food has to look beautiful and it has to be delicious. So, I hope you'll try it and you will succeed. It's a very delicious. Thank you for watching again. Enjoy it and do not forget to subscribe, please. Thank you if you like it. Bye-bye.